Hey guys, yeah, it looks like they are gonna be here for a while. So it's now 6:30. We've been here since 4:30. They said the check-in time is 4:30, but it's 6:30 and still the bus is not here.
Maybe we should have used Swiss bus for Harare. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And I think the most sad part is that we paid for premium service, we paid for time, we paid for convenience, we paid for all of that, but we're still waiting. We're still waiting. So there it is. Yes, Swiss bus. Yeah. Why? Because of what price? And the convenience there.
Because already you need to be compensated. I've been here 4 hours. Yeah, I need to be compensated. I can't stay here for 4 hours.
Yeah, just fix this thing.
How do you want that? Now, because now can't manage. How you are?
We are a route test drive. At Nyepe, I'm going to Amir.
Yeah, kept that. Nagana ba start from that bus no yari shenda on masha. Exactly. KFC ayo ketanz kana ma KFC to kala tijika ma KFC kuno guy. It's not something to do. Okay, after a lot of frustrations and waiting for more than 4 hours, the bus has finally come. This is like 7:30. Hopefully it is the bus, and hopefully they get to go. But anyway, that's the update. The kids are tired, I'm tired, I'm also frustrated and hungry, but yeah, it's good that we can finally be free.
Right, so I'm now here at the Sasso garage in Messina, and yeah, all the buses are here. See all these buses. This one, it left us when we were still at that mid-run station, but we caught up with all the buses now. Yeah, so we were sort of moving fast. Hey guys, so it's now the next day, 10 in the morning. We are now in Mashingo. I think we are about 6 hours away now to Harare. Yeah, so we've had some delays, a lot of delays. On the South African side, we spent almost 5 hours on the queue just to get our passports stamped. Yeah, that was a bad experience. And then on the Zim side, we took like less than 10 minutes. So yeah, and then yeah, so well, I think the bus is traveling at a relatively safe speed, but let's hope I reach Harare on time. Yeah, not that I'm in a hurry or anything, but I'm just hoping at least it won't be at night. Well, yeah, so yeah, just thought I should give an update. And then yesterday, when we were waiting for the bus, we had to wait from, like, remember the 4:30 we were supposed to catch? Well, we reached the place before, a little bit after, so 3:30 for check-in, and then the bus was supposed to leave at 4:30, but then we only left that station at 7 p.m. Imagine that. No explanations given until people started going nuts, and then they later told us that the bus died and it was being serviced or something of a sort. So yeah, And then yeah, so yeah, I've had a good experience with the bus before, but then yeah, okay, at the moment nobody's in the bus. It's just me. So most people went out to get something to eat, but I always carry snacks. I don't like buying food on the road. Yeah, but cool. Give you an update soon.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. That's better. Welcome to the Sunshine City. Munoerera uchide mukaka munyika ya baba, masvika munyika ichipikirwa yatakasirwa na Robert. Welcome. Right. Before we started our journey, we asked for journey mercies from the Almighty. Now that we have arrived safely, can we have somebody who is willing to give us a prayer to thank the Almighty for a safe journey atava nayo? Mungasi mukati namatire tatenderwa. Meanwhile, gentlemen, let's remove our heads. Vakadzi mokanda mawigi since musina kuberekwa muinawo. Muri vanhu vanokomborera kufamba navo. Ndinokutendai uyezve ndinoramba ndichikumbira rutsigiro rwenyu kuti murambe makadaro zvenyu mune rudo nemweya waMwari chaiwo. Hatina kumbonzwa mheremhere vari vamwe mungadai kungoshaudhana mubhazi, but you guys, you are wonderful. Mwari vakuitire zvakanaka because of that. Right, when we reach at Roadport, we are going to wait until everybody.
Guys, I finally arrived in Harare, and yeah, so now I've taken a cab, a taxi, an Uber. Yeah, so I've taken a cab to go to the homestead. So it's about maybe 30 kilometers from Harare. Yeah. All right. So yeah, we arrived safe, and yeah, looks like all is well. Wow. See you on the other side. Another bananzi. Area ni kitu kwa mbele tena. Kwa mgati. Okay. Welcome back, guys. So I've arrived. I'm going home with my luggage. A lot of luggage. Alright, see you when I get home.